Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, I'm Chef Din and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, I'm cooking the base gravy, which is the most important item you can cook for your BRI curries. This method of cooking is completely different from what you used to. I've been using this method for over 40 years and my mother before me as well, when we used to be in the restaurant trade. I'm no longer in the restaurant trade, that's why I'm able to share you with all my secrets. So we need to cook all the pre-cooked items as well. If you haven't seen any of my videos, you must watch my series and watch the first 7 episodes, which will show you how to cook all the pre-cooked items. This is most important, because if you haven't got all the ingredients ready like this, we can't cook the curries. Curries will cook very quickly. So once you've got all your ingredients ready, I'm going to show you how to cook like Brinjal Bhajee here, which is delicious. Bombay potato. We have also mushroom bhajee, sagaloo. This is only but a few of the curries I'm going to show you. My series will cover the whole of a restaurant menu. So let's not waste any more time and let's get cooking. Right, same again, we got a chef's spoon, bit of garlic, brinjal goes in, bit of green pepper, bit of salt. If it gets too hot, take it off. Bit of mixed spice. And a spoon and a half of bunna onions, good heaped spoon of methi and coriander, and 4 pieces of tomato. And then 1 ladle of base gravy.
You really see it coming together when you put that base gravy in, and the juice is just fun.
Now you let it cook for about 5 minutes or less. Let's put a bit of chilli in there as well to just give it a bit of bite.
There's a man cooking up a storm.
Yeah, when I used to cook, when he was busy, I used to cook 10 curries at once. Yeah. And when I used to really get busy, I used to go into the kitchen and take over. So as soon as I go in the kitchen, I'm in control. Then the chefs would stand back and just take the curries off, you know, because they wasn't fast enough. I don't think I ever had a chef which was faster than me.
You can see every little detail is...
Okay, we're ready to finish.
Yeah.
So we're going to let the oil drain, because the worst thing you can have is a oily dish.
Yeah.
You know? So you just use the heat to heat it up and make the oil thinner, so it'll drain to the bottom. Okay.